To complete your setup on Bank of America after signing up, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is fully functional and secure. Step 1. Access the Bank of America website. Visit the official Bank of America website or open a mobile app. Look for the login section to enter your credentials. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password that you created during the sign-up process. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Verify your identity. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Follow the instructions to complete this verification step. Step 4. Set up security features. Once logged in, navigate to the security settings. Here, you can enable two-factor authentication, set up security questions, and review your account activity for added protection. Step 5. Customize your preferences. Finally, adjust your account preferences, such as setting up alerts for transactions, linking external accounts, and choosing your communication preferences. This will help you manage your account effectively. By following these steps, your Bank of America account will be fully set up and ready for use. Make sure to keep your login information secure and regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity.